Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is on toenail cleaning, taking care of my toenails. That include removal of cuticles, the shaping of the nails, the filing of the nails, then the cleaning, the scrubbing, and all that. That's what we will be doing, the moisturizing. So stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything. So welcome, let's start the video. So first thing first, we are going to soak the legs. So I've added that's warm water with shampoo, and then I'm adding soda ash. So I'll be soaking my legs. These are to ensure that the dead skin allowed my nails softens and the cuticles also soften. So afterwards, this is the nails after soaking, and now I'm removing the cuticles. Like you can see, it becomes so easy to remove the cuticles when you have soaked your legs, unlike when you are doing a dry pedicure. So this one is better because the dead skin, the cuticles, they have softened and they are so easy to come out, and therefore I prefer this one. So it's the same as doing pedicure, but if you really want to have good nails, you really have to concentrate on them. You really have to take care of them, and one way of taking care of them is by removing cuticles, because cuticles make the polish that you apply on your nails not to sit very well. At the same time, they make the nails not to look so good. They don't look so well kept if they have the cuticles. So removing the cuticles, even if you don't apply any polish, your nails will be looking clean, they will be looking good as you'd love. So I'm using this cuticle remover to remove my cuticles, the cuticles that I have on my toenail. The small nail had so much, so you just hold this cuticle remover like you can see, and then just try and remove the dead skin and the cuticle around your toenails. Then go in with your cuticle pusher just to push the cuticles, and just ensure that all the cuticles are gone, like you have removed all the cuticles and you have cleaned your toenails to your own satisfaction. The whitish thing that you can see coming out, those are the cuticles. At the same time, some are dead skin, like you can see. Can you see that part that I'm removing? Those are cuticles, and that is what I'm trying to get rid of. My toenails have come a long way, because there were times they literally changed color, like to black. So right now they are improving, just because I've been very intentional about taking care of them. And I'm loving the process. I'm loving the way we are where we are. So guys, I've done so many videos on pedicures, how to remove cuticles, so you can go check them on my YouTube channel. Actually, I'm going to leave them in the description box. So go check them, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Let me know, how do you take care of your toe nails, because you can forget them. It's very easy to forget them. So I'm cutting the nails just to have a small manageable size that I'm able to manage. So that is what I'm doing using a nail cutter. I'm very poor in shaping the nails, like in cutting the nails. Then I'm going in with the file to file those nails, and just ensure that the shape is good, and that that they are looking good and ready for the next process. Then after that, I'm going to use Colgate or toothpaste. Then I'm using this blush. The blush is for the legs. It's for cleaning the nails. Okay. So I brush and just remove all the dirt that might be allowed the nails remaining, allowed the toenails in between the toenails, and just ensure that the nails are clean. So I'll be doing that to both legs. Yeah, then after this, I think my nails will be done. I'll be clean, like they will be spotless, and therefore I'll be ready just to apply nail polish. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, then after that we clean the nails. Like you can see, they are looking better compared to when we started, because this is the results. And now I want to apply a gel polish. So that one, the one I'm applying is the base coat. The base coat, just to ensure that I'm protecting my nail. So I apply the base coat. Then the color, I'm going in with this color. If you have been in my channel, you all know that I love this color. You know that. Yeah, I know you know. Yeah, so I'm applying that color, and then after that I'm go in with the top coat, and that's the results. Can you see that? I really love the way the toes are looking right now. Then after that, the most important thing is moisturizing. So we moisturize those toes, like you can see, and that is the result. So bye bye, and thank you for being here.